Welcome to another product introduction from Balluff. Today we are highlighting our new weld-immune magnetic field sensor, the BMF415. Though dimensionally similar to our most popular magnetic field sensor, the BMF235, this new version was designed specifically to withstand the magnetic fields of weld applications. This new sensor can detect the interference of magnetic fields caused by high weld currents and stop the sensor from false triggering by using a higher level of circuitry and filtration. This delivers system and signal stability. And with an IP67 rating and protective shielding to protect against weld spatter, it is especially suitable for automotive welding applications. The BMF415 is available in both standard and IO-Link versions. The IO-Link version is configurable to normally open or normally closed, and you can adjust the interference suppression time from 50 milliseconds to an impressive 1000 milliseconds. The IO-Link version can be used to read comprehensive diagnostic data about device status and condition. The standard version's interference suppression time is preset to 600 milliseconds. Both standard and IO-Link versions are available in M8 and M12 connections, and with both black and orange TPE and full silicone cables. The different colors of cables can be helpful to differentiate between setups. For example, using orange for all IO-Link components and black for those with direct input into the PLC. These spark-resistant cables contribute to higher equipment uptime. For more information on magnetic field sensors, visit balluff.com.